In today's video, I'm going to teach you Speechify Chrome extension how to add. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Speechify installed in Google Chrome and pinned for quick one-click access. Start by opening your browser and going to google.com. Using Google makes it simple to jump straight to the official listing without hunting through menus. In the search box, type Speechify extension for Chrome and press Enter. You'll see several results. The one you want is the official Chrome Web Store page. You can recognize it by the familiar Chrome Web Store layout and the web address from Google, which helps you avoid any look-alike pages. Click through to the Chrome Web Store result. On the extensions page, look for the Add to Chrome button near the top right. Go ahead and click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a small confirmation prompt. Choose Add Extension to continue. This prompt is normal and lets Chrome know you're approving the permissions Speechify needs to read text aloud on web pages. Next, wait a moment while Chrome downloads and installs the extension. You may see a quick progress spinner and then a message confirming it's been added. There's nothing else you need to do during this part. Chrome handles the installation automatically. If you don't see a message, that's okay. The extension still installs in the background. To keep Speechify easy to find, click the extensions icon, the small puzzle piece, at the top right of Chrome. In the list that appears, locate Speechify and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning places the Speechify button on your toolbar so you can access it without opening the extensions menu each time. You're all set. From now on, you can click the Speechify icon on any page to start listening. If the button doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page. If you're using a work or school computer and see an error about permissions, your device may be managed. Reach out to your administrator for access. For best results, keep Chrome up to date and consider turning on Chrome Sync so your extensions follow you when you sign in on another device. That's the full process. Search, open the official Chrome Web Store page, add to Chrome, wait for the install to finish, and pin the extension. You can manage the extension and its permissions anytime from Chrome's extensions page for extra control. Enjoy turning articles, emails, and web pages into audio with just a click.